This is a rental apartment renovation. The owner wanted to install actually value-based flooring on the floor and not go too crazy with the type of material installed. So what we installed here in the living room is a nice commercial carpet, which will wear well in a tenant situation. We installed a little entranceway with some sheet vinyl and ran it right through the kitchen area, down the hallway. We had to rip up all the carpet that was here, install new plywood, install a stock sheet vinyl here, all the way down the hallway. Continued with the same commercial carpet in the back bedroom area. So this gives you a complete installation for a rental area where the total price stays lower but has a nice clean look and gives an advantage for the owner regarding the flooring. Being a commercial carpet, easy to keep clean and maintain, and a nice decent quality sheet vinyl that works well, coordinates with everything in the cabinets in the kitchen, and easy to clean. So if you want to see more videos of all different categories of flooring, go to our website at fashion-carpets.com. Go to our video gallery, click on any one of the videos, and at the end of this video, if you would please subscribe to our YouTube channel, it's greatly appreciated. And thank you for watching.